So today I'm going to show you how to make roasted jeera straight from the seeds. Quick video, super easy. Let's get to it. We're going to put it in here. I'll bring it down a little bit so you can see. Okay, perfect. I'm going to cut the bag just a little bit. We're not going to be using all of this bag. It makes quite a bit. And we're just going to put it here. So I don't know about you, but I love the smell of jeera. It smells so nice. Now my son, he hates the smell. So when I'm roasting this, he's always like, Mom, what are you doing? He knows what I'm doing because I do this quite often. So what you have to do is you have to just constantly, well, not constantly, but like stir it quite often because you don't want it to burn. You just want it to gently roast. So it does have kind of like a light brown color and it will turn into a darker brown. I will show you once it's ready what it looks like. Now, to be honest, I don't really know how long I'm supposed to roast this. What I might do is just time it because I've only ever just watched it until it turned a certain color. So to give you more of a precise timing, I'm going to time it and then let you know. Okay, so you can see it's roasting and the color is turning like a darker brown, which is exactly what you want. You can hear it kind of popping a little bit. So I'd say this is done. I'm going to take it off the burner. That was probably about 5 minutes. This is before, this is after. You see how this one is lighter than this one? This one's the roasted one, and this one is not. When I grind it in the coffee grinder, you're going to see a huge difference because usually cumin is like a lighter brown. This is going to be like super dark brown. I just wanted to give you an idea as to what you're looking for. So when you are roasting it, you get a visual. Okay, so here's my little Black & Decker coffee grinder. And we're going to add the seeds into here. We don't want to put it too high. So we're going to add just probably about that much. Let's see, bring it down a little bit for you. We're going to put the cover on and pulse. Pulse a little bit and then just hit it there. It's a great little tool. Watch how dark it is. See that? It smells so nice. Look at that. See how much darker it is? And I have all my seasonings nicely labeled and in a little container. So I'm just going to pour that in there with grinding all the rest of my jeera. Fill this little mason jar and I'm going to put it in. I'll show you. I have like all these mason jars of different seasonings that I've either made or use. I have 2 full of these of different seasonings and I have a whole bunch of other seasonings that will be for another day. A little bit left over. So I'm going to put it in this little one that says roasted jeera as well, because this is one that I use on a regular. And then once this is empty, I go to the other bigger one and fill it. So I'm just going to fill this one up and then use this for my tamarind sauce and my doubles. So I'm going to give you a visual. Regular jeera, ground jeera, roasted jeera. See the different color? So there you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.